Hi, and welcome back. In this quick start lesson, you'll learn how to create a multi-touch experience using gestures in ProtoPie. Touch-based gestures allow us to interact directly with the UI elements of our design. In this demo, we'll test out how to drag, zoom, and rotate using an interactive map similar to many map experiences you're probably familiar with. The best part? ProtoPie makes this quick and easy. Let's see how. But first, to make this experience as realistic as possible, grab your phone and install the free ProtoPie Player app available for iOS and Android to test out our prototype later. Now go back to Studio and open our file. We'll start with panning the map around. While having your finger pressed on your device, you'll be able to move the map around in all directions, so you can see the parts that were previously off screen. Go ahead and add a drag trigger to the layer named Map, and add a move response underneath to the same layer. Let's preview. It's not working. If we take a look at the Layers panel, you'll see a layer named UI positioned on top of the layer named Map. This is preventing our touch interaction from passing through to the map layer. Click the UI layer, then enable Make Lower Layers Touchable. Let's preview it again. It works! On the map layer, add a pinch trigger coupled with a scale response underneath. So our pinch interaction isn't working when we preview this. That's because the pinch interaction only works when you run the prototype on a mobile device. Grab your phone and open ProtoPie Player. Back in ProtoPie Studio, click Device in the top right. Scan the QR code that appears with the ProtoPie Player app on your phone. Run it. Now pinch to zoom should work. We can now pan and zoom the map. Only one step left. Let's make it so we can also rotate it. With the map layer selected, add a rotate trigger followed by a rotate response underneath it. Quick pro tip, reload the prototype on your phone simply by clicking Run in the top right of Studio. Now we can pan by dragging with one finger, zoom in and out by pinching with two fingers, and we can rotate the map with two fingers as well. Great job! Let's add a finishing touch. Notice how far we can zoom in and out on the map? Another quick pro tip. You can easily set a limit on this. Click on the scale response under the pinch trigger. See the options labeled Limit? Set the minimum width and height to 1000 pixels, and the maximum width and height to 5000 pixels. Click Run to preview it one more time on your phone. That's better! See how fast and easy it was to create a pan, zoom, and rotate multi-touch experience? See you in the next one.